Most satisfying machines and ingenious tools. Number 10. Pneumatic machine. Engineering that uses gas or pressurized air is known as pneumatics. Compressed air or compressed inert gases are frequently employed as the power source for pneumatic systems in the industry. Cylinders, air motors, pneumatic actuators, and other pneumatic devices are powered by a centrally situated, electrically powered compressor. When an alternative to electric motors and hydraulic actuators is available that is less expensive, more flexible, or safer, the pneumatic system controlled by manual or automatic solenoid valves is chosen. Number 9. Filling machines. In addition to packaging food and beverages, fillers, also known as filling machines, are also utilized for other items. Depending on the product, these are used to fill either a bottle or a pouch. In the packaging sector, fillers come in a variety of forms. The kind of food or beverage filling equipment to be used is typically determined by the type of product to be filled, the required speed, the expected quality and shelf life, the availability of resources, the viability of the technology, and several other factors. Food products can either be solid or semi-solid, liquid or frozen, hot or cold, freely flowing, or extremely viscous, etc. Number 8. VAC-CON. With just one engine, VAC-CON powers both the vacuum and water systems using the ease of a hydrostatic drive. Both systems offer maximum flexibility and can be independently operated for a variety of applications. In search of a single-engine vehicle, the distinctive design of VAC-CON provides the finest value without compromising on performance, power, or simplicity of use. Only VAC-CON combines the adaptability of a two-engine architecture to successfully complete the most difficult tasks. Number 7. Laser tattoo remover. Lasers use concentrated light beams that are directed at your skin. The ink particles in your skin are heated by lasers to break them up into smaller particles that your immune system can more easily eliminate. A tattoo can be removed through several laser therapy sessions. It takes more than one session to thoroughly erase the ink from your tattoo because it was applied in layers when you got it. It takes longer for your body to remove the ink between treatments since lasers shrink the ink pigment. Additionally, your skin requires time to heal. Number 6. Thread milling machine. What are the benefits of thread milling over tapping, which is often used in many applications? Thread milling is a flexible and useful thread manufacturing solution and CNC milling method, especially for large holes. We'll go over thread milling's definition, uses, advantages, different kinds of thread milling instruments, how thread mills operate, and how to thread mill in this article. A rotating tool is used in the thread milling process to make threads of varying widths. The thread pitch is produced by the lateral movement during one revolution. Unlike tapping, thread milling is most often used on big workpieces. Number 5. Automatic plough. An agricultural tool called a plough is used to turn or loosen the soil before sowing or spreading seeds. Turning over the topsoil, which has the dual benefits of burying crop residue and weeds to let them degrade and bringing fresh nutrients to the surface, is the basic objective of plowing. The trenches created by a plow are called furrows. In modern agriculture, a field that has been plowed is normally allowed to dry up before being harrowed and seeded. Plowing and cultivating the soil evens out the top 12 to 25 centimeters, 5 to 10 inches, of the soil, which is where the majority of plant feeder roots grow. Number 4. Beer filling machine. The centerpiece of the brewery's production line is the beer filling machine. The beer filling machines are usually manufactured out of stainless steel. Although it is simple to clean, stainless steel is difficult to wear. You can fill beer bottles affordably and effectively with this machine. You can get equipment for filling 4, 6, or 8 barrels of beer. There are 3 types of beer filling equipment: keg filling equipment, can filling equipment, and bottle filling equipment. Numerous sparkling wines and sodas can also be produced using this beer filling equipment. Number 3. Crawler excavator. Large construction equipment known as excavators have a boom, bucket, dipper, and cab positioned on a rotating platform known as the house. One or more sets of wheels or rails support the house. Despite being a logical progression from steam shovels, they are frequently referred to as power shovels. A hydraulic excavator moves and completes all of its operations using hydraulic fluid, hydraulic cylinders, and hydraulic motors. Due to the linear actuation of hydraulic cylinders, they work very differently from cable-operated excavators, which use winches and steel ropes to complete the movements. Number 2. DIPPERFOX Stump Grinder. Excavators can use the DIPPERFOX Stump Grinder as a reliable tool. Any heavy equipment user will be pleased to have this stump grinder attached to a dipper arm. With its improved speed and efficiency, it saves time and money. DIPPERFOX drives all of the remnants deeply into the ground by drilling into the stumps and their roots. The logging sites don't require any additional cleanup once the work is done. They are completely accessible for maintenance trucks and offer ideal conditions for newly planted trees. Number 1. CNC Milling Machines. CNC milling machines are mechanically operating cutting tools that can precisely remove materials from a workplace. CNC milling machines are controlled and programmed by CNC systems. A specific item or product that was designed using CAD software is the ultimate result of the machining process. CNC milling machines are the industry standard for milling, which is the process of gradually removing material from a workpiece using rotating tools. These devices mechanically remove material from a workpiece along one or more axes using a variety of cutting instruments.